Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we are unboxing the Ipsy Glam bag for August. Look at this bag. I love it. It's like a faux snakeskin. It's white, like an off-white, but it has a little bit of a shine to it. Girl, it feels classy. So these are $12. It's a great way if you want to kind of have a beauty bag, but you don't want to pay a whole lot of money. Ipsy does offer a range of different beauty subscriptions, though. This is just their, like, if you want to go at entry level. So let's get in here and see what's in. I did peek in here already. Inside is a bright, like an acid green. I think that's super cool. And it is stamped with the Ipsy logo. All right. So first up we have, this is from Glow Recipe, the Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Sleeping Mask. This is brightening and firming. And it has a really cool, like, green, looks like jade packaging. I think that's cool. Avocado. That's what it looks like. I'll definitely try this out. I'm excited for that. All right, moving on. Next up we have Sparkling Liquid Eyeshadow from the Balm. This is in the color Bellini. I don't know why I always sniff liquid eyeshadows. There's something about the sound when it comes out that you're like, oh, it's like a lipstick and I just want to smell. No. Anyway, ooh, that's pretty. It's very sheer. It has a little bit of pink, but it does have like gold, like flecks of gold in it. It goes on pretty. Like, it almost looks like a blush, doesn't it? Gets you thinking, doesn't it? Anyway, moving along. Who says you have to use it as eyeshadow? All right, next up we have from 111 Skin. I don't know if it's a 111 skin, 111 skin, or 111 skin. This is the Nocturnal Eclipse Recovery Cream, NaCy. I'm guessing that means like niacinamide. Not sure. I'll have to look that up. I will link down below to my full review. I'll also link to Ipsy if you're interested in checking them out. They do send me this and the Glam Bag Plus for review each month. I do not, by the way, they'll get paid. This is not an affiliate or anything like that. So I'm excited to try this out. I do see it has hyaluronic acid, but it's not high up. I'm thinking it's like a, I don't know. It's a pretty package though. I don't know. A 111 Skin is like, they're like high-end products, you know? All right, then we have, this is from Verso. This is the facial cleanser for daily use. Gentle facial cleanser, mild. Oh, that's in another language. Never mind. It's just gentle facial cleanser. It comes in the fun little package. We're actually leaving for Disney tonight. I may take this one with, try it out. Should I try something new while I'm away? No, that's actually a bad idea. But it's like the perfect size for travel, and it's good enough for like 1 week, which is what I need it for. I don't think so. All right. The final item. I dropped it. I started doing that thing I just did as a joke when things would fall, and now I can't stop. All right, this is from Milk Makeup. This is the Work Lip and Cheek stain, I guess. I can't look at the dropsies. What's going on here? All right. Oh, it has like a orangey smell. Oh, that's so pretty. That's pretty. I like it. Just a nice blush. Oh, yeah. Ooh, look at that. Very creamy, and like, you know, these kinds of products, the more you wear it, like it almost melts into your skin and looks super natural. I love that. I personally think that's great. I don't really necessarily want everybody to know I'm wearing a ton of makeup. So this I'll definitely try out. I actually been using the Milk Melatonin Night thing. I actually really like it. It's really nice. It's gentle. Makes me feel like I'm getting a lot of stuff into my skin. I don't know if it's doing anything, to be honest. I think my hydrator, like my moisturizer, is the thing that does the most, but I still like to use a bunch of products. All right, so anyway, in my Ipsy Glam bag for August, I have the Milk Makeup Blush and Lip, the Liquid from the Balm, the Glow Recipe Avocado Retinol, the 111 Skin NaCy Nocturnal Eclipse Recovery Cream, and then finally the facial cleanser from Verso. This is a great bag for $12. This is great. I love all the items in here. I will definitely use them all. So thank you guys again for watching. If you tuned in for the first time, welcome. I hope you stick around and watch some more videos. If you've been here forever, thank you even, you know, just as much. I appreciate it. Thanks. You're cool. You're cool, dudes. I hope you're all having a beautiful, blessed day, and I will see you next time.